In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open two Bluebeam windows. If you've ever tried to compare drawings, keep a spec open while marking up, or reference two PDFs at once, having two separate Bluebeam windows is the simplest way to work efficiently. We'll walk through opening your first document, then launching a second instance of Bluebeam so you can view another file side by side. Start by opening Bluebeam Revu. If it's already running, you're good to go. Once the program is up, let's load your first document. Head to the File menu and choose New, then PDF if you want a blank document to sketch or mark up. If you're working with an existing plan or report, go to File, then Open, and select the file you need. Either option gets your first workspace ready, and you'll see it appear in the main window. Next, we'll open a second instance of Bluebeam Revu. On Windows, look down at your taskbar and find the Bluebeam icon. Right-click that icon and select Bluebeam Revu again. This tells Windows to launch a completely separate Bluebeam window, not just another tab in the same session. It may take a moment to load, but you'll know it worked when you see another Bluebeam window pop up. Depending on your taskbar settings, you might notice a second button or a stacked preview indicating there are two windows running. Now switch to that new Bluebeam window and open your second PDF. Go to File, then Open, and pick the document you want to reference or compare. At this point, you have two independent Bluebeam windows, each with its own menu bar, tabs, and workspace. This separation makes it easy to move one window to another monitor or place them side by side on the same screen so you can scroll, zoom, and mark up each document without affecting the other. A quick tip, because each window is its own session, pay attention to which one is active when you save or close, especially if the files have similar names. Also, if your Windows desktop supports snapping, you can place the windows next to each other for a clean, organized view. This is especially helpful during detailed reviews or when you need to cross-check details line by line. And that's it. You opened Bluebeam Revu, loaded your first document, launched a second instance from the taskbar, and opened your second PDF in the new window. With two Bluebeam windows side by side, your comparison and review workflow becomes faster, clearer, and far more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and happy reviewing.